Hello everyone, welcome to our video on conditional sentences. Before moving into the topic, if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. What is a conditional sentence? Conditional sentence means sentence which have some conditions. Conditional sentence have two parts or clauses that give a condition in a dependent clause or if clause and a result in the independent clause or main clause. So the basic structure is if clause plus result clause. Example, if it rains, we will get wet. We can also invert the two parts of a conditional sentence so that the if part comes second, and this is especially common in questions. Example, what will you do if you miss the train? We will get wet if it rains. There are 5 types of conditional sentences: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional and mixed conditional. Zero conditional. The zero conditional is used to make statements about the real world and often refers to general truths such as scientific facts and general habits. Structure is if plus simple present. Main clause is also simple present. Example, if you heat water to 100 degrees centigrade, it boils. If you eat a lot, you put on weight. The zero conditional is also often used to give instructions using the imperative in the main clause. Example, if Reena calls, tell her to meet me at the mall. If you want to come to, call me before 4 p.m. First conditional. We use the first conditional to talk about the future situations we think are likely or probable to happen. Structure is if plus present simple and imperative form. The imperative form will be will plus verb, can plus verb or must plus verb. Example, if I miss the train, I will take the next one. In this sentence, there is a 50% chance that the first part of the sentence will happen. And if it happens, the second part is 100% certain. See another examples. If you are free later, we can go for a walk. So in this sentence, if you are free, then only we can go for a walk. If we arrive late, we must get a taxi. Inverted sentences. He will call if he needs help. They might arrive on time if there is not much traffic. Another way of making first conditional. So another way to make first conditional sentences is to use unless or as long as or so long as or provided that or providing that or on condition that. As with if, the word unless can never be followed by will, but only by present simple. Example, unless you hurry up, you won't catch the bus. We will stay at home unless the weather improves. I feel safe as long as you are with me. You can go out if you have cleaned your room. My parents will let me go to the party on condition that I pass all my exams. Second conditional. We use the second conditional to talk about present or future situations we think are impossible or unlikely to happen. Structure is if plus past simple, modal verb with future in past meaning, should, would, might or could. Examples, if I had more time, I would exercise more. But I don't have more time, so I don't. If I were rich, I would spend all my time traveling. But I am not rich, so I cannot. If I were you, I would tell my parents the truth. So a person cannot be another person. So this is also not possible. Note, the condition and the result are not taking place in the past, but the past tense is used to indicate the unreal nature of the situation. We use were with all subject pronouns in the second conditional. Third conditional. We use the third conditional when we imagine a different past in which something did or did not happen, and we also imagine a different result. Structure is if plus past perfect plus modal verb with future in the past meaning plus have plus past participle, that is in ed form. Example, if we had left earlier, we would have arrived on time. If they had booked earlier, they could have found better seats. If I had not learnt English, I would not got this job. Mixed conditional. This type of sentence combines a second conditional sentence with a third conditional sentence. We imagine a past change with a present result or present change with a past result. The structure for past change with present result is if plus past perfect, modal verb plus base verb. Example, if I had gone to the bed earlier last night, I would not be so tired now. If I had finished college, I would be a doctor now. Present change with the past result. Structure is if plus simple past, would or could plus present perfect. Example, if I spoke louder, you would have heard me before. I can't do this alone. If I could, I would not have called you. Additional notes on conditionals. Conditionals can be categorized as real and unreal. Zero and first conditionals are possible as they deal with things that are generally true or that could be true in the future. Second, third and mixed conditionals are impossible because they are either hypothetical or concerned with events in the past that we cannot change. So, zero and first conditionals are real conditionals. Second, third and mixed conditionals are unreal conditionals. Use of comma. When the if clause comes before the main clause, it is followed by a comma. Example, if you don't hurry, comma, you will miss the plane. When the if clause comes after the main clause, there is no comma between the clauses. Example, you will miss the plane if you don't hurry. Thank you for watching. See you next time.